Now there's only one other thing left, the biggest question: how to collaborate to others' work. Now there are many open source organizations, and the question which arises in your mind, of course, is how can you get their repository in your repository? That's fairly easy. We again go to GitHub. Now you can see that I have gone to another account. This is HackRushT. Okay, you can just search anything you want and open up any repository of them. Okay, so I just opened HTML game info repository of HackRushT. Okay, I can fork this. So now what this does, it creates this repository in my GitHub account. Okay, so now you see we have gone back to my account, and this is the same repo name I've got here. Now to get this back to our own local computer, we again follow the process we used to do, which is git clone. We copy this, we go to our git bash, and let's cd to desktop. Okay, now we are in desktop, and now we can write our command, which is git clone, and then we paste it over here and enter. So now it's cloning into HTML game info. So what we basically did is we went to someone else's account, someone else's profile, and then we had their repository. Okay, and then we forked. Now what this fork does is that we can take their repository and we can place it in our own account. So from their repository we get it to our repository in GitHub. So now we have it in our repository in GitHub, but we don't have it in our local computer. So now this is where we start to clone. Okay, so we clone, and then we get it in our own computer and we can work on it, and then we can again push the changes back to GitHub. So now we can see we have unpacked the objects, and here is the HTML game info. So that's all for now.